Hello, everyone. As you can see, we have a beat up Star Wars The Black Series box in front of us. Hopefully the figure is just fine. This is actually one of those figures I've been trying to find because I started collecting a little bit later when it comes to the Black Series line. Obviously, it is K-2SO from Rogue One. Yeah, so I was able to find them on Amazon, and actually it was at a decent price, so I was like, I'll go ahead and pick them up. Unfortunately, I didn't realize the box was going to be as beat up as it was, but I'm an opener, so should be okay. So, if you already have this figure, please let me know what you think of them down in the description down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. But what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at the outside of the box. We're going to go ahead and open him up. We're going to go ahead and take a look at his articulation, go ahead and see what kind of poses we can get him in, take some pictures, and then talk about the things that we like and what we don't like about the figure. Before we get started, though, I did want to make one announcement. We do have a giveaway going on, and I'll put it up a card up here so you can click on, so you can learn more about how to enter and what you can possibly win. And all the details are in the description of that video as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box. As you can see, it's the older style Black Series. So we've got the open window on the top with the red box. We've got K-2SO there. I'm so excited to open this box. Actually, I think this actually came from the UK too as well. So it's going to be pretty cool to open, although it's going to be the same as what we got here. But it is number 24. It is K-2SO. And the designation here at the bottom is Bravo 9396. On the back here, it says K-2SO, a reprogrammed Imperial security droid now loyal to the Alliance. K-2SO is an alarming sight standing within a secret rebel base. The pragmatic droid, sorry about that, is an effective insertion agent, as he can blend in perfectly at Imperial installations and outposts. All right, and then nothing over there. So let's go ahead and take him out. And we usually go from the bottom. Typically, it's easier. All right. Yeah, like I said, I've been trying to get this figure for a while. I just wasn't willing to spend the price that some people have been asking for. So there we go. Awesome. He is super tall. I'll have to get a figure so we can stand up next to him. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get everything cleaned up, and I'll be right back. All right, so let's do things a little bit out of order first. Let's go ahead and take a look at how tall he actually is. So we all know how tall a stormtrooper is. So there you go. That's he's got probably about an inch on top of him. So he's probably about 7 inches tall. It's pretty impressive. All right, so we'll go ahead and put the trooper here in the background. Just lean up against there. That'll be fun. But yeah, he is awesome. I'm definitely going to be taking a look to see if I can find any more. As you can see, I mean, the detail on him is actually much better than I was expecting. You know, you can see the hip joint there is silver. You've got a little bit of bronze and yellowish color on the hinge there, and the rest is black as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the head. I mean, the head actually has lots of different articulations, so that's as far down as he's going to go. He is able to look up when the neck is down, but the neck itself is on a ball joint, and the head is on a ball joint as well, so you're able to get some really good articulation there. As far as the arms are concerned, look at that. Almost, probably could go all the way, yep, almost all the way out there. I mean, geez, that is awesome. And I like the weathering there as well. And they got the good detail here on the back. I am really liking this figure. I'm not going to lie. And looks like yeah. So it's at the elbow that we've got the joint, and it's going to be able to do full 360. The arm does full 90, and it can go the opposite direction as well because, of course, he's a droid. And then the forearm is super long, and we're able to twist at the wrist, obviously. and then it's a left and right motion there. And I believe it's going to be the same on the other side as well. The torso, we're able to get some good motion as well. You can see that. I mean, you're probably going to get them in any position you want. Legs, decent spread. No turn at the top, but you wouldn't expect that. It got a little bit of movement, so you can get some good stand. 90 degrees and 90 degrees. I mean, this is awesome. And you can turn below and above the knee. I mean, wow. And then you got a good up and down there, and then you got left and right at the ankle as well. So, I mean, I am definitely going to be on the lookout for another one of these guys. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and take some pictures. If you have any questions, ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up as well. All right, so I hope you liked the look at K-2SO as much as I did. I'm really looking forward to adding him to my collection. As you can see, though, I did have to end up using some museum putty there. He was having some problems standing up. That's pretty much par for the course, though, regardless of the size of this figure. I like how much I was able to bend or use his joints going both directions as well. I mean, he definitely lived up to my expectations as far as what I was looking for with the figure. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Just so you know, I am using something new in the background here. This is a new diorama piece that I'm trying out. If you like it, let me know. I'm debating whether or not I should use it more or not. And don't forget about the giveaway as well, which I'll put it in the description down below if you missed the card that was about up. Where is it? There we go. About up here. There we go. Yeah, so also, if you like anything that is Star Wars related, Black Series related, anything that a professional geek might find interesting, I invite you to look around the channel. We do a lot of things that a professional geek might find interesting. I, being a professional geek, find things interesting, I share with you. And with that, have a great day.